Hello. In this video, we explain the logic behind our classification of the processes that can improve fitness, and we discuss how they may interact with each other. We hope this improves the understanding and utility of our classifying framework. We start with the observation that fitness depends on how traits and environments interact with each other. This then implies that in order to increase fitness, an organism can either adaptively change its traits or can adaptively change its environment. The next issue then is how such changes can come about. And also here there are two options. Through some sort of selective process which favors some phenotypes or environments over others, or through some sort of alteration of the phenotypes or environments involved. The combination of these two axes then provides us with 4 possible processes that can increase fitness. The characteristics of the row and column in which each is placed highlights how it compares to the other 3 processes. Natural selection may well be the most famous of these 4 processes, but it comes with an important limitation. It only improves the fitness of populations. So a locally maladapted individual cannot increase its expected fitness via natural selection. However, the other 3 processes do allow individuals to increase their expected fitness. Therefore, natural selection will actually favor the evolution of these 3 processes. And this is indicated by these 3 positive red arrows. However, once any of these processes have evolved, it allows individuals to cope with potentially selective ecological forces and improve individual fitness. As a consequence, this decreases the strength of natural selection, which is indicated by these 3 negative red arrows. So overall, the fitness of a population depends on the traits that its individual members have and the environments in which they find themselves. But fitness can be increased by individuals either changing their traits or by changing their environments. Just as natural selection interacts with the 3 individual level processes, these 3 processes may interact amongst each other, as indicated by these double-headed gray arrows. For example, if an individual changes its phenotype, then this may influence whether it also selects its environment, and if so, which one. Likewise, the 3 processes may interact in an evolutionary way. For example, if an organism evolves to adaptively adjust its environment, then habitat choice or phenotypic plasticity may not really be necessary anymore and don't evolve or disappear. In general then, we would expect that these 3 processes will influence each other and will influence natural selection. But surprisingly little attention has been given to these interactions, other than in specific pairwise comparisons. We therefore hope that our framework helps you to distinguish, recognize, and appreciate the different processes that can improve fitness, and thereby provide a context in which to conduct and apply your research in a way that doesn't leave any of them behind.